Hi, this is Chris from Title Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Mitsubishi Triton GLX-R dual cab ute, stock reference number 5399. The shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light. Left guard has one small dent, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror in chrome. Left front door has 6 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent. Rhino-Rack roof racks with an Ironman awning with all fittings. Factory fitted sports bar, alloy with all fittings. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 large dent. Right front door has 5 small dents. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, display screen, single stack CD player. Left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.